IQOO 12 is set to launch on 7th of November this month. However, before that the phone has been already made available on IQOO stores for the reviewers to actually experience it. And that's great, we can have an early look at the phone and here it is. The IQOO 12 has a flat display this time around with a centered aligned circular notch at the top. You can see the overall design is quite boxy with a metallic frame and a really good build. When it comes to display specs, it comes with a 6.78-inch BOE OLED display that features a 1.5K resolution. There's also a 144Hz refresh rate, 3000 nits peak brightness and 2160Hz PWM dimming. Obviously the camera module is huge this time around, but I would say the overall design is not that much fancy, and it's good that IQOO adopted a very basic design this time. Obviously the camera setup looks huge, but a case would be enough to fix that camera bump. For security, it will have an optical in-screen fingerprint scanner. We all know the device has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset under the hood along with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. A 5000 mAh battery is expected to power the IQOO 12. It will have support for 120 watt wired charging but will lack wireless charging, probably to cut the price down. For the cameras, the IQOO 12's rear camera setup will comprise a 50 megapixel primary sensor with OIS, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. Surely would love to check out the camera in detail when the device will be officially revealed and be ready to purchase. With that being said, that's it for this video. It was a quick hands-on review of this device. Let us know your opinion about this IQOO 12 in comments below. The Pro model will be very similar to the standard model except some minor differences in terms of display and battery. For me, IQOO 12 is a good deal if it will be cheaper than Xiaomi 14 series, and I believe it would be by looking at the past records. The phone is expected to be priced around that flagship killer range, I mean somewhere near $450 to $600 range. But stay tuned till November 7 to get the update for the final details. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. And as always, we will see you in the next one.